Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel Data Science Genius. My name is Jikra and I am delighted to be here with you today. Very important topic discussed. So we are going to explore an important topic, drawing a histogram in Python. And topic step-by-step guide to creating histogram in Python. Histogram is a graph that shows the frequency of a numeric data showing rectangle topica. Height of a rectangle and vertical x-axis represent the distribution frequency of variable, the amount of how often that variable appears. Creating histogram in Python step-by-step guide and explain the importance of data visualization. How to histogram help in understanding the distribution of data. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to create, customize, and interpret histogram using Python. A histogram is a type of bar chart that displays a frequency of distribution of numeric data. Each bar is a histogram. It presents the frequency count of data points within a specific range of bits. First, import a libraries. In a Python library are collected of pre-written code that provide function and classes perform various tasks without having to write the code from scratch. And common library in use NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Matplotlib and Seaborn. NumPy use numeric operations, and Pandas used for data manipulation and analysis. Matplotlib is a plotting library for creating statistic, interactive and animated visualization. Seaborn built on top of Matplotlib. It is interface trying attractive and statistical graphic. And step 2. Create or load data. First, let's load the data into a Pandas data frame. For this example, we will use a dataset called Wide Happiness Report. Your choice any dataset. Load this dataset include columns such as GDP, capital, and so on. Assume you have a CSV file named Wide Happiness Report.csv with the relevant data. You can load it using Pandas. Loading data. The dataset is loaded into a Pandas data frame. In this case, we have our dictionary of scores, sample data scores 55 and 42, 78, and so on. Data frame is equal to dataset. And step 3, plot the histogram. To visualization the distribution of specific column, for example GDP per capita, you can create a histogram. A histogram is a powerful data visualization tool used to depict the distributions of the data. Now we will plot a histogram to visualization the distribution of specific column, such as GDP per capita. Plot the histogram. The plt.hist is a function create the histogram. The bins parameter specific the number of bins. Colors set the colors of bars, and edge color define the color of the edge of bar. Use the hist method of Matplotlib to create the histogram. You can customize the appearance of the histogram using various parameters. Show the frequency number of the histogram bars. And step 4, customize the histogram. Enhance your histogram by adding titles, label and grids, and frequency numbers and labeling. Additional customization, change color, alphabetic, vertical lines, innovations, title, and grids. Add changing color. You can change the color of the bars edge using the color and edge color parameter. Different show the histogram plot different color bars. Adjust the transparency of bar using the parameter vertical lines. Change mean, median, or any other statistical uses PLD. By following this step, you can create the customization histogram in Python to effectively visualize your data distribution. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative content on data science. Until next time, take care.